Prior to buying the machine, we were sourcing the barrels from another manufacturer. We wanted to bring that in-house. With the Tsugami, we were able to achieve a one-and-done solution that we were looking for. My name is Steven Zaffiri. I founded Zaffiri Precision, and we manufacture aftermarket slides and barrels for Glocks. On our TMA-8, we manufacture pistol barrels. The mill-turn capabilities of this machine have allowed us to manufacture a part that would typically take 3 different operations. We can do it in one op. We rough the initial part of the barrel on the main spindle, and we transfer it to the sub-spindle, and that's where we do all the finishing work on the chamber and housing of the barrel. So when we bought the machine, we told Tsugami America specifically what we were trying to accomplish, and they developed a conveyor and part unloading system for us that would allow us to run through the night. And then we paired that with the Rebel Edge bar feeder, which keeps the machine fed through the night as well. On the BO325, we manufacture our thread protectors for the barrels, guide rods, trigger pins, and just various small parts.
At the moment, we're making Glock 17 guide rods. We generally make the entire assembly. We'll make the guide rod as well as the washer, and we make them out of 303 stainless. They're a lot better than the standard guide rods you'll get. A lot of them will be manufactured out of plastic, so we wanted to offer a better quality product, and with this machine, we're able to do that effectively and rapidly and consistently.
The machine's been incredibly reliable, but when it does need service or maintenance, we've gotten parts in a day or two and been able to keep it online as much as possible.